Benefits of mall front sliding entrances for retail construction. Welcome to Building Knowledge 101. In this video, we will discover the benefits of mall front sliding entrances in retail construction and the importance of using entrances that facilitate smooth customer flow and dynamic shopping experience. Interior malls often want to have retail space that opens up into the mall, so you have no restriction between the walking space of the mall and the retail area. Cases like this, you can use what's called a mall front slider. These can be utilized to open up an entire elevation during operating hours and then close it back for security purposes when the facility is not open. So here you can see a picture of a slider in a closed position. Now, as we start to open it, you can see the panels sliding down to one side and then moved out of the way, opening up the area so that people can walk through. Now, this type slider, you can see from the section cut through, each slider has its own track. So the individual units all slide in their own track, and then they stack at one end parallel to each other. So they all slide in one track. And so it's fairly wide track there. Here's a mall front slider that utilizes a single track. So you can have multiple sliding panels in a single track. When they get to one end, the track is going to split, and the panels can be rotated 90 degrees to the opening or stacked parallel to each other at one end of the opening. But they all slide in one track. Here's an example section cut through that seeing just two panels, but you can get multiple panels, but showing how they're all in one track and then will slide to one end where they store to the side. That is all we have time for in this video. If you'd like to watch more of our 101 video series, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Kawneer Company, Inc.